Jai Hind Defense aspirants, this is Aditya Dubey, your communication skills coach, and this video is going to be very important for you because in this video I will discuss some tips for Lecturette session. As you all know, this is one of the important sessions of GTU, and this is one of the confirmatory phase of your selection procedure. So I'm going to share the scenario first of all. What sort of scenario is there when you are there for the Lecturette session? Well, all cadets are made sit in a semicircle way, and the GTU sits behind those candidates to observe your performance. You have a time of 3 minutes and you are given cards. You may select any card in which you will have 4 topics. Now, the nature of those topics you should understand, and selection of topic also plays an important role. In those 4 topics, you will find that one topic will be of higher topic that is of higher standard, or that is based on some latest issue in which facts and figures are required. Some data is required in which you have to make your presentation with the help of your stats and data, right? And the second topic, that is kind of an average topic, right? So this average topic is based on certain topic like artificial intelligence, problem of unemployment, where you need data, but somewhere you need facts and figures not much as compared to the first one. And the third topic is simple topic that is based on your school days, your favorite actor, actress, or something like that. So 2 topics are of very easy level, that is already there in your practical life. You don't need data from outside or from internet or from certain books and all. That is based on your personal information that you have. Whereas first topic and second topic, as I said, these are based on facts, some information, some stats that you have to keep along with you when you talk on those topics. Now, many students think that I should select the toughest topic. Here, my opinion is you should select the topic that suits you, because Lecturette session is not all about only your knowledge. Lecturette session is conducted to see your way of dealing with the people. As you understand from the word itself, this is lecturette, means this word has been derived from the word lecture, and this word tells you that within span of time, within the decided span of time, you have to present your ideas. So lecturette means it is similar to extempore, but in extempore you are not given any time, but here you are given time of 3 minutes. Now many students think that, will I get my complete 3 minutes? Yes. When lecturette session starts, when first candidate is called, he selects card among all those cards, and he goes to a certain place near a tree or some where he can think for 3 minutes. By the time GTO gets busy with other candidates taking their details, taking their intro or something like that, so you get complete 3 minutes when you select card. From that time your time starts. GTO has a bell on a table, and as soon as there is time of 2 minutes 30 seconds, one bell is there. It's an alarm, it's a signal that now you need to get ready for performance. You get 30 seconds more, and after that your performance starts. Many students also think that, suppose a candidate is not able to speak for complete 3 minutes, he ends up just in a minute or just in 1.5 minutes, then what will be the situation? Will the next candidate come immediately, or he will get his complete time of 3 minutes for thinking? So let me tell you, you will be given complete time. If you come immediately right after that candidate, so you will be getting more time to complete your topic. So somewhere it is a kind of extra credit for your performance, right? But you will be given ample amount of time that is for your planning. Now students, I have already covered that how you should select topic, and this Lecturette session is organized to see your commanding skills, to see your way of presenting certain information in front of others, how you present certain data in front of others, and how you make them understand. The more important segment is your delivery of the ideas. You should deliver with passion, right? Now I will give you tips further how to perform Lecturette well. Before this, I would like to tell you one thing more, that when you get complete time for thinking, you should make an outlining of your topic. Whatever topic you have selected as per your suitability, you should categorize that topic the way you used to write essay during your academics. In the same manner, you should have an outline of your topic. Like, you can bifurcate your topic into certain headings. Like, most probable headings will be your meaning of the topic and case studies of the topic, aspects, positive aspects and negative aspects of the topic, and your own opinion, what you personally feel on that particular topic, your creativity, your steps, your innovations that you have thought of on that particular topic, that you should keep. So this is how you should bifurcate that topic into some headings. When you bifurcate that topic into some headings, you have those order, you have that particular order in your mind, and you go as per the decided order. First I'll cover this, I'll cover that, I'll cover this, and this is how there is no problem in the planning skills, because planning skills play a very important role. Some students make their intro, although GTU has already given briefing that you will not be giving your introduction. So don't waste your time in giving your intro, then the intro of your topic, and taking just time in all these things. Simply stand in front of everyone, stand in alert mode, keep your hand locked at your back or in front, that's your choice, but stand straight. Do not stand in a manner that you are looking very tired or something. Look straight, look at the heads of the people. Since GTU has already given you briefing that don't make an eye contact with me, I will be just assessing your performance, so follow his instructions. GTU has also briefed you that don't take your name, because definitely surname is there, so it is not required to take your name and just get the benefit of some other factors. So listen to the briefing of GTU very carefully, since this is the marking system that is in hand of GTU, so you must follow his instructions very carefully. If he has already instructed you not to look at him, so don't look at him, because we have curiosity. We just want to see the reactions of GTU, how he is reacting on our performance. But that's not required. When he has already said that don't look at me, just perform. These are actually your audience. I will just be assessing. So don't look at him. And many times this happens that you make eye contact with the individual candidate. So instead of making eye contact with a particular person, or the person who is sitting in front of you or very close to you, you better make a general eye contact. That's the manner of public speaking skills. Because the person who is sitting at front might react in a different manner. He can make you laugh, or he can make you sad, he can make you emotional. So instead of making eye contact with a particular person, you better make eye contact in general. Just look at the heads of the people. So that, and when you complete your topic, then don't use superfluous words that thanks for being wonderful audience or something like that. Simply end your topic with a formal approach, thanks. So you have to follow the guidelines given by the GTU, and you have to follow the basic parameters of expressing one's ideas on a certain topic. Now, expressions, which are very important when you perform on a certain topic. So expressions are brought just when with your involvement into the topic. So involve yourself well into the topic rather than thinking on other parameters. If your expressions are proper, audience also get connected with you. And let me tell you, it is there in the briefing of GTO that all candidates must listen to you, so you will have a wonderful audience, that is for sure. If they don't listen to you, if they look here and there, that's their way of dealing with this session, so their marks will be deducted, of course. But you have to look at your audience in a formal manner. So expressions are very, very important. Second thing is power of expression. Power of expression means apart from your facial expressions and body language, there are expressions in your language itself. So your pronunciation, your intonation, your accent, your command in sentences, your rate of speech, your punctuation, your breathing system, many parameters are there. So I would suggest you that when you perform on a lecturette, you simply take topic in a manner that you are dealing with those who want to seek information from you. This is the similar scenario when you instruct people when you are going on a certain mission, and you have to make them understand that what number of resources we have and what is the plan of the mission. In the same manner, you are going to address them to make them aware what your ideas are. So when you are involved into the topic, when you understand your roles and responsibility, that you are the information provider and they are the information seeker, so definitely your language orientation will also be better, apart from your body language and expressions. So if you have proper language orientation, you will definitely have a very good performance and your message will be clear. Speak louder, have proper voice clarity, get in touch with your audience, what you think of the topic, and at last just end your topic with thanks. So utilize your time of 3 minutes and be very particular about the bell of GTO. When he rings bell at 2 minutes 30 seconds, be very clear that this is the alarming stage. Now I have to wrap up my topic. Don't wrap up your topic in a sudden manner, because sometimes you wrap up topic within time and very suddenly. So that shows that you are scared. So don't be scared, be very natural, because again I have told you that this is the scenario which is there in our practical life. So that is not a very, very peculiar or very strange for you. So for the practice of lecturette session, I would suggest you have n number of practice sessions, have mirror practice, and in your formal routine, speak in front of your friends, your siblings, so that you have no stage fear and you have proper eye contact and expressions. You are in the scenario of digital learning as well, so you can implement this activity in front of camera as well. You have smartphone, you can do it. This also gives you confidence. Lecturette is all about your confidence level and your ideas. So if you organize your content in a proper manner and you present it passionately, you will definitely get a good score. Enjoy this phase, don't get haphazardness. It is a part of your testing, and it is scoring segment. Good luck, best wishes. I'll see you in the next video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंचे।